Hello friends, let's get into lesson 57 and we're going to start with our right hand. We're going to prepare it for action. We're going to set our thumb on string number 4, index on string number 3, middle on string number 2, and ring finger on string number 1. Then we're going to lift it in such a way that we are not touching the strings, but we are very close to them. By doing this, we are now ready to start plucking a lot more easily than if we didn't prepare it at all. And then the right hand, we're going to prepare it as well for what we will have to do in measure 1. We're going to bring finger 1 close to string 2 on fret 1 and finger 2 close to string 4 on fret 2. And with this position in mind, we're going to start. The very first note we play is the open third string that we pluck with the index finger. Then we need to bring finger 2 on string 4 fret 2 and pluck it with the thumb. Then again open third with the index, and now we press with finger 1 string number 2 fret number 1 and we pluck it with the middle finger. Then the finger picking pattern is index, thumb, index, middle. And the notes we just played is G, E, G, and C. To play measure 2, we're going to bring finger number 3 to string number 4, fret number 3. We remove the other fingers, and on beat number 1, we have two simultaneous notes, F on this 4th string and E as an open first string. We're going to pluck the 4th with the thumb and the 1st with the ring fingers. Then we have an open 3rd with the index finger, and then we need to use finger 4 to press string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Let's see measure number 2 once again. It's important to familiarize ourselves very well with the name of the notes, so let's review them. We have F on string 4 fret 3 and E on the open 1st string, and then we have G on the open 3rd string, and finally D on string number 2 fret number 3. To go into measure number 3, we're going to remove finger 4, but we're going to keep finger 3 where we have it. Measure 3 starts with an open 3rd string that we pluck with the index finger, and then string number 4 fret number 3, and we pluck it with the thumb. Again, open 3rd string, index finger, and once again we use finger number 4 to press string number 2, fret number 3, and pluck it with the middle finger. Let's see measure number 3 again. Measure number 4 starts with the open 4th string and string number 1, fret number 1, played simultaneously. We have D on the 4th and F on the 1st. Open 3rd string, and then two notes simultaneously. String number 5, fret number 3 for the C note, and open 1st string for the E note. Let's see measure number 4 again. We have strings 4 and 1, string 3, and strings 5 and 1. Measure number 5 starts with an open 3rd string, and then finger 2 presses string number 4, fret number 2, and we pluck it with the thumb. Open 3rd again with the index, and finger 1 presses string 2, fret 1, and we pluck it with the middle finger. It's exactly the same as measure number 1. Let's see that again. Index, thumb, index, middle. Once more. Measure number 6. We need finger 2 on string number 3, fret number 2, and finger 3 on string number 4, fret number 2. We pluck string number 3 with index, string number 4 with thumb, 3 again with index, and then we add finger 4 on string number 2, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the middle finger. Let's see that again. Index, thumb, index, middle. Or I, P, I, M. And the notes we're playing are A, F, A, D. Then we go into measure number 7. We are going to move finger 3 all the way to string number 3, fret number 3. And we start by plucking string number 6 and string number 2 simultaneously. Then string number 3 with index, string number 2 with middle, and string number 1 with ring finger. Let's see that again. We have P and M simultaneously. I, M, A. And the notes we're playing is G and B, G, B, and E. And then measure 8, we need finger 3 on string 5, fret 3, and finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1, and we play both notes at the same time with the thumb and the middle fingers. Then we have a rest of a full beat, and we move on to measure number 9. We need finger 3 on string number 4, fret number 3, and the open third at the same time. We plug them with thumb and index. Then open third again with the middle finger, and once more with the index finger. So the first 2 beats of measure 9 are, and then we add finger 4 on string 1, fret 3, and we plug it with the middle finger. Let's see measure 9 once more. To go into measure number 10, we are going to leave finger 4 right where we have it, because we're going to repeat that note, and we bring finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2, and we play strings 4 and 1 at the same time. We bring finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we play strings 3 and 2 at the same time. Twice. Let's see measure number 10 again. Then we need to bring finger 1 all the way to string number 6, and we're going to play string 6 and 3 at the same time. Then string 3 again, and again, and again. That is measure number 11. Let's see and hear measure 11 again. The right hand is doing P and I at the same time. M, I, M. Then measure 12 is open 6th and open 3rd at the same time, thumb and index. Ring finger open first, and then we press string 2, fret 1, and pluck it with the middle finger. Measure 12 once again. Here we're playing E on the 6th string, G on the 3rd, E on the 1st, and C on the 2nd. Measure number 13, open 3rd, string number 4, fret number 2, open 3rd, string number 2, fret number 1 with finger 1. Let's see that again. I, P, I, M. String 3, string 4, 3, and 2. Name of the notes, G, E, G, C. To play measure 14, we bring finger 2 to string 3, fret 2, and finger 3 to string 4, fret 3. And we play index on the 3rd string, P on the 4th, index on the 3rd, and we bring finger 4 on string 2, fret 3, plug it with the middle finger. Let's see measure 14 once again. Index, thumb, index, middle. Or with the letter representing the fingers, I, P, I, M. And with the name of the notes, A, F, A, and D. Measure 15. We bring finger 3 all the way to string number 6, fret number 3, and we play simultaneously strings 6 and 2. Then string 3, string 2, string 1. That's measure 15. Let's see that again. Here we are playing G on the 6th string and B on the 2nd. G on the 3rd, B again on the 2nd, E on the 1st. And to finish the piece, we bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, and finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and we play both notes at the same time, thumb and middle fingers. And that's lesson 57. In the description box you will find a link to a play-along video where you can play with me in a slow tempo the entire piece, and you can also find other useful resources. I hope this video has been useful for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and always remember to enjoy the process.